Hello friends, good morning. So in today's video, uh, we will discuss about the Gann natural dates. Basically, there are four season dates. As we all know, Gann has traveled to India and Egypt to understand how the time cycle works, and it has added a lot of value to his analysis. And even till today, these analysis work. Like time cycles are basically, a rhythmic movement of the nature. Like the sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. These are generic time cycles which happens every day. Similarly, year has 12 year. Sorry, a year has 12 months, and basically it has four season change. Right. The first one is this thing on March, vernal equinox. Then we have summer solstice on June 21st. This is the longest day of the year. Then we have September autumnal equinox, and then basically we have winter solstice, which is the shortest day of the year, right? So these basically four things represent the season change of the on the earth. And when season is changing on the earth, then definitely it will have a big impact on human beings. And if the human beings are getting impacted, then they will impact the stock market, financial markets, commodity markets, all that. So, do these things really work? So, I'm using a software called Market Analyst Professional, and here they have one good thing which we call as a uh, Gann seasonal dates. So basically, it says the seasonal dates plot the major and minor dates of WT Gann would watch for change in trend direction. These dates can be seen on the outer wheel of square of 9 chart. But basically, what it does is it will draw these four dates. Let me quickly show you them. Yeah, so these are the major dates: 21st March, 22nd June, 23rd September, and 22nd December. And these dates are applicable throughout every year, and generally we tend to see a good trend change around these years. So let's start from 2020 when the you know, the COVID crash occurred. Yeah, somewhere here. Let's start from March of 2020. So around these dates. So this was, you can see here. 22nd was the date, 21st March was the date. We bottomed out on 24th March, and from there we had a good rally. And then let me just expand the chart a little bit. 22nd June, kind of a small bottom, and from there we had a good rally. Then we have 23rd September. Again, next day the market bottomed out and a very good rally. And after that, you know, 22nd, see, one day before that, we had that big fall of that whole year, 4% fall. Similarly, if you see here on March of 2021, a kind of short-term top was made. Here, nothing much happened. Market just went in a sideways zone. Uh, and then here, kind of a bottom, and from there, a good rally. This was kind of a perfect bottom and a good rally. 21st March 2022, again, you can see here, it made a short-term bottom. From there, consolidated and a good rally happened. Here also, we can see a trend change. Market was falling, and from there, it started rising. It just bottomed out, and from there a good rally came. Right, 21st March, this was the exact bottom of this big rally which we are seeing now. 22nd June, again a good bottom. From there a good trend change happened. So it is across the board. It is not just one thing. So let me just apply it here also. So these things are happening across the board, across different sectors, auto sector. Let me just apply here also. Mhm. Yep. See here. You are seeing good trend changes across these all points. Whether let's quickly check on mid cap index also. See here, good trend changes are happening. So these are the important dates which you can apply. I mean, I generally use it only for indices. For stocks, it requires a different, time cycle analysis. But again, if you are a follower of Gann and you want to see, so you can just note down these dates plus minus one day. You tend to see a small cap index. Next day bottomed out, and from there it is just rallying. Right. So this was a perfect trend change. Again, a big fall happened around December, and from there a good rally came. Again here. So it is across. I mean, I generally apply it across indices only. I don't use it for stocks, but this thing works very nicely. You can see some good trend changes in the market. Now coming to Nifty, so Nifty, see here. So what market is doing? It has formed a perfect outside bar. Let me quickly show you on Nifty. So we'll just focus on Nifty and Bank Nifty now for the time being. So if you see here Nifty, it has formed a perfect outside bar pattern here. So, and you can see here the markets are not doing anything. I mean, once it broke this high, I mean, we are making new highs every day, but every day the markets are in red. And this is a perfect outside bar. Two outside bars have been formed. One inside bar, then outside bar, then inside bar, and then outside bar. This particular thing is a very, very important phenomenon. So basically, if it breaks this particular high, which is around 22,700, then we can see a good rally till 24,000 in a single day. And if this gets broken, the low, which is around 23,400, then we can see a good fall towards 23,100 to 23,050 for Nifty because of this trend change moment. And similarly, if I go to Bank Nifty, again same thing. Big rally came, but Bank Nifty is trying to close above this. So basically, once it breaks this high, which is around 51,133, then we can see a fall towards this 20-day moving average around 49,706. And if this kind of double top is broken on upside, which is 51,000, 52,000, then we can see a rally towards 52,500 to 53,000. And this particular thing applies on all the markets. Like even if you want to try S&P 500, let me quickly show you for S&P 500 also. So this is a chart of S&P 500 also. You can see here very nice trend changes are happening around these particular dates. Important trend change happen around these dates. It is across the board, across the markets. So perfect bottom, perfect bottom. It's not a holy grail, but yeah, eventually you tend to see some very nice moves in the market around these dates. So these dates should definitely be, part of any person who wants to study Gann and astrology. So yeah, that's about it in this small video. We just wanted to show you the importance of these Gann natural dates on the markets. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you're welcome to ask in the comment section. Stay disciplined.